The best 1ZPRESSO grinder for you? Here's the big overview: the Coffee Chronicler. Discover 1ZPRESSO, a Taiwanese company, recognized for its exceptional manual coffee grinders. Their wide range of models cater to a growing market of coffee enthusiasts. Explore the various 1ZPRESSO models, from the affordable to the high-end, including phased-out models. Get an overview of their functionality and value for money. Learn about the 1ZPRESSO Q2, a compact, lightweight grinder, perfect for travelers. It's made from top-grade aluminum, easy to disassemble for cleaning, and has an upgraded 40mm heptagonal burr set. Discover the 1ZPRESSO JX, an affordable grinder suitable for espresso and pour-over. It offers a unique flavor profile and an improved axle and adjustment wheel for espresso. Meet the JX Pro, the more sophisticated model of the JX grinder. It comes with finer adjustments and is ideal for the budget-conscious espresso lover. Learn about the J Max, a top model in the J series that's primarily an espresso grinder. It offers more mouthfeel and blended flavors for pour-over. Check out the K Max, a newer model known for its excellent grind for espresso and pour-over. It's recommended for modern coffee connoisseurs who enjoy both brewing methods.